हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। In previous lecture, we also discussed about the measure of dispersion. Parts of measure of dispersion range, mean deviation, standard deviation. Today topic is standard deviation. The standard deviation is the most important part of measure of dispersion. The standard deviation is stated that measure the dispersion of a data set related to its mean and calculated as the square roots of variance. It is calculated as a square root of variation by determining the variation between each data point related to the mean. If the data point are further from the mean, there is a higher deviation within the data set. Thus, the more spread out the data, the higher standard deviation. The standard deviation denoted by sigma. Coefficient of variation or coefficient of standard deviation. The compare the data variability into series. Relative measure standard deviation is found at it is known as coefficient of standard deviation. Coefficient of standard deviation equal to sigma divided by mean, that is the sigma divided by x bar. Calculation of standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviation in individual series. There are four methods to calculate the standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviation. First, actual mean methods, direct methods, assumed mean methods, and step deviation methods. Today, we will discuss actual mean methods, and other methods we will discuss in further next classes. Actual mean methods. First step of actual mean method is obtain sum of the value and denote it by sigma x. Summation x divided by summation x by n to find out the actual mean. What is the n? N is the number of observations. And second step, calculate the division of the value from actual mean and denoted it as d. We are free to denote it small d or capital D, but here we denoted from small d. Third step, square of the deviations and obtain the sum of d square and denote by summation d square. We just square the deviation and sum of the square deviation, that is the summation d square. What is fourth step? Fourth step of measuring our standard deviation. Obtain the standard deviation by applying the formula sigma d square divided by capital N and root of. Fifth step is calculate the coefficient of standard deviation by the formula of sigma divided by x bar, that is the mean. अब चलिए कोई एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं, ठीक है। calculate the standard deviation and coefficient of standard deviation from following ungrouped data. Okay, ungrouped data means that is the individual series. Value of x is 10, 15, 25, 20, 30, 40, 50, 10 and so on. Number of summation of x is 250. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे कि इसका मीन निकालेंगे. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द मीन? x बार इक्वल टू समेशन x डिवाइडेड बाय n. समेशन x कितना है हमारा? ये 200 है. और नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 से डिवाइड किया 25 आ गया है. दैट मीन्स वी फाइंड आउट द मीन इज 25. तो मीन 25 है. हम डिविएशन कैसे कैलकुलेट करते थे? x1 माइनस मीन, x2 माइनस मीन, x3 माइनस मीन, x4 माइनस मीन, x5 माइनस मीन, x6 माइनस मीन, x7 एंड सो ऑन. ठीक है. हम क्या करेंगे कि ऑब्जर्वेशन जो है उस ऑब्जर्वेशन से हम मीन को माइनस कर देंगे, तब हमारा डिविएशन निकल जाएगा. d इक्वल टू x1 xi माइनस x बार. तो हमारा मीन कितना है? 25 है. और हमारा फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? 10 है. तो 10 से 25 को माइनस करेंगे तो माइनस 15 से 25 माइनस करेंगे तो 10 हो जाएगा. 25 से 25 माइनस करेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा. और 20 से 25 माइनस करेंगे तो माइनस एंड सो ऑन. ऐसे हम कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे इसको. ठीक है. We can easily find out the value of deviation. After the finding the value of deviation, we calculate the d square. That means the square of the deviation. We measure the square of the deviation. We find out the with the first observation 2 to 5 and second step 100, 0, 25, 25 and 2 2 5 6 6 5 and so on. हम इसको जब सम करेंगे तो सम आफ्टर द summation we find out the sigma d square equal to 1450. Now after the summation of sigma d square we just calculate the standard deviation. Standard deviation equal to sigma d square divided by n. Sigma d square divided by n equal to we have value of sigma d square equal to 1450 and divided number of observation is just divided by the divided by number of observations. We getting the value of 181.25 root unders. That means the 13.46. Then we find out the value of standard deviation is 13.46 and coefficient of standard deviation we just divide with mean divided standard deviation by mean. We getting the coefficient of standard deviation. Thank you. And next lecture we will discuss about the standard deviation. Standard deviation by mean method, step deviation method, etc. Okay. Thank you.